Today's video is about healthy keto meals. Quick and easy, simple, healthy keto meals. Some of these meals were actually created at a restaurant for me, but you can do this at home. So this first meal here is what I had for lunch one day, and this actually is a video. I'll put this video in the description box. This is a collard green leaf, and inside of it they have wrapped turkey, cheese, bacon, and mayo inside of it. It was amazing. I couldn't believe that this healthy meal was so good. I can be honest and say I was still hungry. It was very good, but it was not filling. I think I would need like a foot long of this, and then maybe, it would be good enough for me to actually be full. This next meal here was created by my husband and I. My husband actually made the salmon. He is phenomenal at making salmon, so I asked him to make that. And I made the vegetable medley, and this is lima beans, spinach, and cauliflower. It was so good. I mean, I ate all of it. My family ate all of it, but I had more than anybody since I am doing the keto diet. This by far is the best keto meal that I have experienced so far, and I've eaten this 2 different times. One time in the restaurant, and today I prepared my own with a little twist. At the restaurant I did have lettuce. Today I'm using spinach leaf. It's 2 beef patties with cheddar cheese on top, bacon, real bacon, mushrooms, and a little bit of ranch sauce. When I had it at the restaurant, I had the fancy sauce if you watch that video. And it was so yummy. I also wanted you to see that there was tomato too up under there, so that's why I put this other feature in. These are great keto meals. They don't take a lot of time, and I think they're really good. It's one of my favorite keto meals since I've started this. I hope that this video helps you out. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment on all of my YouTube videos. Until next time, bye!